Today we're checking out Snow SEO, a platform that lets you monitor, analyze, and improve visibility across both AI platforms and traditional search engines. You've probably noticed that people aren't just Googling things anymore. They're asking ChatGPT, Perplexity, and other AI tools. And if your brand isn't showing up in those answers, you're invisible to a growing chunk of your audience. Most tools will tell you where you rank. Snow SEO actually helps you do something about it. When you log in, you land on the dashboard, which gives you a full picture of where you stand. You'll see your overall health score, audit score, AI visibility score, and a snapshot of your search engine performance, clicks, impressions, keyword rankings, and top traffic countries. Alongside that, you can compare your share of voice against key competitors, see which AI platforms are citing them, and track the sentiment around your brand. From there, you can dig into AI visibility, where Snow SEO tracks how often your brand appears across AI platforms, which competitors are dominating the leaderboard, and which prompts you're being left out of entirely. If a competitor is getting mentioned where you aren't, you'll see it and get a suggested strategy to close the gap. Next is the audit section. Snow SEO scans your website, identifies what's holding back your rankings, and gives you a single score to work toward. For each issue, you can fix it manually or grab a pre-written prompt and hand it straight to an AI tool to resolve it automatically. No developer required. Planning is built around topical authority. You add the topics you want to rank for, and Snow SEO maps out the content needed to establish your expertise in each one. The idea is structural. Everything you create connects back to your topics, so your content strategy compounds over time instead of scattering. On the execution side, Snow SEO generates SEO-optimized blog posts trained on your brand's voice and writing style, not generic AI content. Each article comes with a built-in editor, so you can tweak it, and you can publish directly to WordPress, Framer, Ghost, or other CMS platforms without copying and pasting. If you want to go fully hands-off, just flip on autopilot mode. Set your publishing frequency and destination, and Snow SEO handles the rest. If AI search is eating into your organic visibility and you want a tool that goes beyond dashboards and actually helps you act on it, Snow SEO gives you the analysis, the roadmap, and the content engine to compete. Click buy now to start ranking where your audience is actually searching with Snow SEO today.